Identify the intervals where f of x is increasing and decreasing. F of x is equal to 27x minus x cubed. The first step in figuring out the intervals where the function is increasing and decreasing is to find the first derivative. So f prime of x is equal to, and we can use the power rule with both of these, 27 minus 3x squared. And now the second step is to set f prime of x equal to 0 and solve for any critical values. So we can say 0 is equal to, notice 27 and 3 are both multiples of 3, so I can pull a 3 out and I have left 9 minus x squared. And then we can factor 9 minus x squared to be it'll be 3 minus x and 3 plus x. 3 minus x and 3 plus x. So our critical x values will be x equals 3 and x equals negative 3. All right, then the third step in this process is to set up our sign chart with our critical values. So we have negative 3 and positive 3. And we're going to test out some points on the outside and in between these numbers. Let's go with negative 4 as a test point, 0 because it's a little easier, and then 4. All right, so if we substitute negative 4 into f prime of x, you can either do it here, or since we know what it looks like being factored, we could also substitute it in there. So I'm going to rewrite f prime of x as in its factored form. So we have 3 and then 3 minus x and 3 plus x. And the reason I'm doing that is because if we substitute negative 4 in, we'll have 3 minus negative 4, that'll be a positive, so we'll have a positive here, and 3 plus negative 4 will give us a minus sign, negative 1. And a positive times a negative will be negative. So we have the function decreasing when we substitute negative 4 in. Now let's try testing out 0 and see what happens. So if we substitute 0 in, we will have 3 minus 0, which is 3, so that's positive. We'll have 3 plus 0, which is also positive. So we have all positives here. So our function is going to be increasing. And then if we now substitute in positive 4, we'll have 3 minus 4, that's negative 1. And 3 plus 4 is positive 7. So we will have a positive times a negative times a positive, so that is negative. So this is where it is decreasing. So we know that it is increasing from negative 3 to 3. So far this looks like the answer, and then it's decreasing from negative infinity to negative 3. Yes, in union with 3 to infinity. So yes, answer choice A is the answer that we get for this problem.